You are welcome back to Ashelebe Latifat Online Academy, where we teach and learn mathematics together. So in today's lecture, we want to do word problems in set theory. So I discovered that many students used to have challenges with these word problems of set theory. So, but in order not to have issue, you have to watch all the lectures that we have done before. So I will leave the links in the description box after this one. So let's go fully into it. So set theory, word problems. In a dancing competition, each competitor could dance to at least one brand of music played. Two brands of music, that is Fuji and disco music, were played that day. 10 of the competitors could dance to Fuji music, while 14 of the competitors could dance to disco music. If 4 of the competitors could dance to both brands of music, find number 1, the number of the competitors that could dance to Fuji but not disco. Number 2, the number of the competitors that could dance to disco but not Fuji music. Number 3, the total number of people involved in the competition. So in this question now, telling us that those that could dance to Fuji but not disco. I have explained that one in one of our videos. That's relative complements, which is the difference of sets. So please watch it so that we understand this thing very well, so we will not waste our time. And this one also, it's saying that we should find the number of those that could dance to disco but not Fuji music, and the total number of people involved in the competition. That will be our universal set. So they want us to find the cardinality of universal set. So let's quickly go to solution now. So in word problem, all the thing that we need to know is we need to understand the Venn diagram very well. We need to understand the difference of sets, which is relative complements. So, and you need to understand the question very well. Like here, they said that at least in a dancing competition, each competitor could dance to at least one of the brand. That means there's no one of the competitors that didn't dance to any of the music. At least one of those competitors danced to one brand of the music. So it means that the cardinality of F union D complement will be equal to 0. And the cardinality, that is the number of those that dance to Fuji, we were given 10. 10 competitors could dance to Fuji, and 14 competitors could dance to disco music, and 4 could dance to both music. So, and they asked us to find those that did not dance to those that did not dance to disco music but only dance to Fuji music. So let's answer it now. Now, the next thing that we have to do is that we have to represent it in a Venn diagram. So here, everything inside the rectangular shape will be for universal sets. And we have used F to represent Fuji music. We used D to represent disco music. So, and I used green pen for Fuji, and I used blue pen for disco. That is, everything here, all the number that we find here will be for Fuji music. So this side plus this side will be for Fuji music. And this side plus this side will be for disco music. Now, the cardinality of Fuji, that is those that dance to Fuji on that day. Those that dance to Fuji. So it doesn't matter whether they dance to only Fuji or they dance to both Fuji and disco. So, but the total of those that danced to Fuji music on that day. So it will now be total number of those those that dance to Fuji music will be those that dance to Fuji music only and not disco. That is F minus D in the relative complements. Please go and watch it. Plus, this is their intersection. This is their intersection. That is those that dance to both music, and we were given it to be 4. So this is the cardinality of those that dance to both music. So here we were given those that dance to Fuji music to be equal to 10. So we have to substitute it. The next thing that we have to do is that we do not know this one. We do not know this is what we want to find. That is those that dance to only Fuji. Only Fuji will be here. So let's represent it with X. Plus those that dance to both music is equal to 4. So to find the value of X, we have to subtract 4 from both sides. So 10 minus 4 is equal to X plus 4 minus 4. So this one cancels out, and X is equal to 6. That is those that dance to Fuji only. The cardinality, that is the number of those that dance to Fuji but not disco, will be equal to 6. So that is number 1. Number 2, everybody that dance to disco will be those that dance to disco only and those that dance to Fuji and disco. Disco only means those that do not have anything to do with Fuji at all. So everything inside this circle consists of those that dance to Fuji and disco plus those that dance to disco only. So cardinality of disco will be equal to those that, the number of those that do not dance to Fuji but only disco, plus the cardinality of those that dance to Fuji and disco. And those that dance to disco, we were giving them to be 14. We do not know this one. This is what we want to find. So let's represent it with Y. Plus those that dance to both music was equal to 4. So in order to find Y, we have to subtract 4 from both sides. So 14 minus 4 is equal to Y plus 4 minus 4. So this one cancels out. So Y is equal to 10. So this Y means those that do not dance to Fuji but only disco will be equal to 10. Now, the cardinality of universal set, that is all the competitors that present in that part. No, it will be from here. This side will be those that do not dance to any of the music. But from the question, they say that nobody in that party that do not dance to any music. So it means that this place will be those that do not dance to any of the music, and it means it's equal to 0. Because it said that at least all of the person that present in that party dance to at least one music. That means this is a cardinality of F union D complement is equal to 0. So in order to find those that are present in that party, we have to find this place, which is a 10 minus 4, and this place, which is 14 minus 4. That is those that dance to Fuji only, those that dance to Fuji and disco, and those that dance to disco only, and those that do not dance to Fuji and disco. So the cardinality of universal set will be equal to cardinality of F intersects D prime, that is those that dance to Fuji only, plus those that dance to both music, plus those that dance to disco only, not Fuji but only disco, plus those that do not dance to any of the two music. So we have to substitute the value of everything now. We do not know this one, So you write it back. Those that dance to Fuji only, we got 6 for it. So 6 plus. Those that dance to both music, we were giving them to be equal to 4. And those that dance to disco only, we got them to be 10. And from the question, which says that there's nobody in that party that did not dance to any of the music, that means this one will be equal to 0. So the number of those that were in that party will now be equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So 20 people were present in that party. So if you find this video very useful, please make sure you like, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Till I see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless.